Hey guys, hope you are doing good. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to access Google BigQuery for free and practice SQL queries. No need to give any credit card detail, nothing. First of all, just log into your Gmail, step number 1, and then put this link. Go to this link. I'll put it in the description section. You will kind of land in a page like this. Okay. Suppose you want to access public data, you can go here and say we want to search for COVID data. You can type COVID ECDC. Okay. Initially, you will not get anything, but then click on broaden search to all, and then you will get the BigQuery data set. So what you can do is you can go here and click on pin, so it will be there. And if you want to, for example, query this table, just click on it. Just click on query, okay, and say new tab. And that's it. Say you want to select all the data from the table, you could simply say select star from the table, okay, and I have just put a limit 1000. So let's run this, and as you see we get the data, right? Basically the data we have, I think, data from March to September 2020, day by day data for all countries. Okay, so say I wanted to check for India, what I could simply do is just adjust this. Okay, I could simply say where name of the column is countries and territories, and you could say equal to India. Okay, so if I run this, now you will see the output. We will get only India based rows. As you see, all the data is India, right? As I scroll down. So this particular data set you can use to practice. Okay, no need to give card details, nothing. In subsequent videos, I will show you to make some basic queries here to analyze COVID data. So this is part 1. Part 2, what if you wanted to add your own data set from like your Excel file or from your computer? For that, what you can do is you can go here and click on new project. Okay, I'll just leave. I don't want to save this for now. So click on leave. Okay, again click new project. Click on leave, it's fine. New project, I can say SQL2, just give some random name. Okay, once you're done with that, the project gets created. Okay, and you can go here and click on that project. Okay, once that is done, you'll have the project on the left. Say I want to add a file here, what you can do, can go to SQL2, click on these 3 dots, click on create dataset. Let's create a dataset, say information. We can give it any name. This is like the name of the database. Okay, and I can simply create dataset. So now if I open this, there is a database called information. Now within that, if I want to add a data, can go here. Okay, click on it, say create table, and create table from, say I want to upload it from my system. I'll click on upload, select file, let me just browse. Let's go to downloads, and I'll just select, say, a random thing, IPL result 2, some data I have. It detects it as a CSV file. Give the table a name, let me say IPL results or something, name of the table, and give the schema auto detect, and rest you can leave it as such for now, and say create table. Okay, now if we go here, you see already table is here, so I can click on that and say query table in new tab, and let's query and see what we get. So I have imported this information from my computer, right, basically from a CSV, and here I see just some basic IPL data, match number, winner and loser of the match. Now you can query this data, so you can actually import data from your system and do it, or even from Google Drive. Okay, very cool way to get started, and I think up to 1 terabyte of data, it's free to use. So try this out. All you need is a Gmail ID, and let me know. We will see analyzing COVID data in the subsequent videos. For now, just try this and let me know how you feel. I will see you in another video. Till then, take care.